We've had a small air leak on the dinghy here for weeks. And I've patched it twice using the PVC patch glue and just not happy with the results. Part of the reason is it's in the water, or we take it to the beach and it gets splashed. And got one other issue with the dinghy today. The prop is spinning. The hub is broke loose. I hit a submerged vessel in the Bahamas that had sunk at an extreme low tide and spun the prop. So let me show you how I'm taking care of both of those. First of all, now we got the dinghy in the dry. We're using our block and tackles on our dinghy davits to hang the back of the dinghy up. Now I can get to the propeller easily to change the prop, and I've used 3M 5200 adhesive sealant instead of that not working so good PVC glue to put the patch on. And you can see it's down low. It's not going to get wet hanging like that. Cure time's 24 hours, so tomorrow I can let this back down. It's nice and calm today, so we should not get any dinghy rash again, like caused that spot there. It looked like that on the other side, made a leak. And easy access to change the propeller. And since I picked up the Amazon packages, I've got a new propeller. You can see the little rubber bushing in the middle around that brass. That is the issue. The reason it's like that is so you don't tear the gears out or break your lower unit. If you hit something, it's like a shock absorber, like a U-joint in a truck. Think of it like that. So we'll get this changed and we'll let that cure. And I think that's the end of our dinghy problems for now. So there you go, new props on, glue is drying, and if you look carefully inside the old prop, you can see the rubber center is torn. Some fancy new props have plastic inserts you can replace, not this. So I'll drill the 3 holes in this and put the 3 screws in it and keep it as a backup Bohemian repaired propeller.